5. Listen, you can do better. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Real Estate Retail Awards. I am Siddharth Kannan. एक शेर अर्ज करता हूं, हर लाइन के बाद वाह वाह बोलिए. क्या बोलेंगे? क्या बोलेंगे? वो गुलाबी क्या जिसमें लाली न हो, वो गुलशनी क्या जिसमें माली न हो, वो ससुराली क्या जिसमें साली न हो, और वो प्रोग्राम ही क्या जिसमें ताली न हो. Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Here goes, like they say, the biggest awards. You can use your whistles, cheer from your team. The bar is open right here, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the highly acclaimed Mapping India Awards 2021, saluting the true winners and visionaries of the shopping center world, those who blaze the trails. The awards aims to recognize and felicitate achievers, innovators, suppliers, and felicitators who have contributed significantly towards the retail and real estate industry's growth in India. Ladies and gentlemen, this show is organized by Mapping India. Mapping India Thought Leadership, and awards is presented by K-World, supported by Infinity Malls, Lulu Malls, Elan Group, Unity One, Rare Rabbit, Inorbit Malls, Viviana Mall, Nexus Malls, Virtuous Retail, Orion Mall, R City, Trihan, Iris, Growell. We acknowledge Vegas as retail real estate partner, Arclan as official leasing partner, Amanora as mall partner, Gulshan 129 is session partner, CP67 is mixed use retail partner. We also thank Accenture, Modi Motors, Legend Group, Sri Balaji, and Secure Parking. Mapping India Awards for Shopping Center, supported by Rare Rabbit. Ladies and gentlemen, to kickstart the proceedings, whistle and applause for Miss Ashna Gemini Sharan, Mapping India, to come and say a few words and to kickstart the award show. Ashna on stage, please. I like that table there. Come on, let's do this and party hard.
Very good evening, everyone. Hope you're having a good time. Yes? Let's have a round of applause. After the insightful sessions by the industry stalwarts, we now come for the finale, and we start Mapping India Awards for Shopping Centers. So during the pandemic, where the retail had taken a halt, shopping centers had kept their work on. So they were working on building opportunities, they accommodated retailers, they worked on best of the safety measures so that they can give the best of services to people when they come, focused on the upcoming properties, and this really calls for an applause. So guys, let's give a round of applause once again for yourself. So now this is the time to get rewarded. So not taking much time of yours, and we start the awards and award the excellence. Here you go. Thank you very much.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is, of course, Ashna. Give it up for her. She and her team have worked round the clock to have a packed hall here, a packed audience here. I just want to know, how many of you have whistles on the table? Put your hand up, please. माने 4 tables. मेरे इवेंट वाले लोग कितनी बार बोला हुआ है कि whistles मत चुराया करो, सुनते ही नहीं हो. All right, use them now. Can you get the whistles to them, please, as well? 3 tables only, darling. All right. I can't hear it. Give me one. Come on. Yeah. Well, let's begin the first set of awards for the evening. Mapping India Awards for Shopping Center is the most sought after coveted awards in the shopping center industry. Today, excellence in business of shopping centers will be recognized and awarded. May I call on stage Vineet Gautam, CEO Bestseller, and Pushkaraj Shinai, CEO Lakme Lever.
Seeing it all, now I see it all. Spectrum.
Ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, these people are the Ranbir Kapoor and Ranveer Singh of your world. They are the box office leaders. ताली बजाइए इनके लिए, come on! And now, दोस्तों, सर आप दोनों तैयार हैं अंगार मचाने के लिए? दो most admired shopping center of the year, non-metro north, और इसके nominees हैं Nexus Mall, Elante and Phoenix, Palacio, and the winners are, ladies and gentlemen, Nexus Mall, Elante! Come on, retail world, give me a thunderous round of applause, come on! 1.5 साल घर बैठे हुए आप, now bang it, come on! My friends at the back, I want you to give me a round of applause for them. Come on, India! Most admired shopping center of the year, non-metro south. The nominations are Nexus Mall, Sujana Mall, Nexus Mall, Center City, Lulu Mall, and the winners are Lulu Mall, and of course, it's Nexus Mall, Sujana Mall.
Seeing it all, now I see it Spectrum of love.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was a tie. Like I said, Nexus Mall, Sujana Mall, and
Lulu Mall.
Aye, sir, come on.
आवाज बंद है, सिर्फ तुम्हारी चलती है यहाँ पे आवाज. The most admired shopping center of the year, non-metro west, is again a tie. Inorbit Baroda and Phoenix Market City Pune.
Of course, the nominees here were Virtuous Retail Surat, Virtuous Retail Nagpur, Phoenix Market City Pune, Inorbit Vadodara, and the winner announced by Vinny. Thank you. One more to go, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a tie. Most admired shopping center of the year, non-metro west. In Orbit, Vadodara and Phoenix, Market City, Pune. Thank you so much to our winners. Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Non-Metro West, Kasakai. Thank you so much. नहीं सर, एक और बचा हुआ है. रुकिए, आखिरी है. Can I request my hostesses to go on stage? This is the Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Non-Metro East. और इसमें एक ही winner है. आ जाइए, ma'am. Thank you so much. Here you go.
It's Nexus again, Nexus Esplanade.
Nexus Malls, Esplanade 1. Well, thank you so much to our presenters. Thank you, gentlemen. Well done. All right. That was, of course, the first set of awards. Taliyon ki goonj, everybody. Come on. अर्ज किया है. शेर बोल रहा हूं, बाबा कहिएगा. Come on, come on, come on. अर्ज किया है. क्रिकेटर को क्रिकेट पसंद है. लेखक को लिखना पसंद है. शेफ को खाना पसंद है. बाबा बोलिए ना. किसी की पसंद से हमें क्या, हमें तो रियल एस्टेट रिटेल अवार्ड्स पसंद है. The second set of awards, ladies and gentlemen, Mapping India Awards for Shopping Center. And I would like to invite Paresh Mishra, Senior VP Entertainment Business SL Group, and Amit Datta, CEO Le Marche Retail. Can I request you for the second set of awards? Good evening, gentlemen. Kaise aap log? Good evening, sir. Give it up for two most inspiring dignitaries you can have. Can I request our lovely ladies to please go on center of the stage? Here you go, sir. I'm going to be announcing the category and then you announce the name of the winners. So here goes. Ladies and gentlemen, Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Metro North. Sir, मैं आया हूँ. All right, let me use my mic.
Select City Walk.
Yes. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this was, of course, Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Metro North, Select City Walk. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Well done. Ab aage बढ़ते हुए, Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Metro South. इसके nominees हैं Virtuous Retail, Orion Mall. Winner हमारे dignitaries के हाथों में. Sir, I'm always here. I have to be next to you, sir, because I admire you so much. Here goes.
And the winner is Orion Mall.
Orion Mall, Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Metro South. Thank you. Can I request the dignitary from Orion Mall to be right here, right now? The Most Admired Shopping Center of the Year, Metro South. Can I have, is the Orion Mall dignitary yahan pe hai ki nahi? Can I do a countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you there? There you go, collecting on their behalf. Orion Mall South. Thank you. He's collecting the award on behalf of Orion Mall. Thank you, sir. Well done. Really look up to you. Or up. Most admired shopping center of the year, Metro West. और इसके nominees हैं R City Mall, the Phoenix Mills, Viviana Mall, Oberoi Mall, Infinity Mall, and the winner is. So मैं आया. अब मुझे क्या करना है सर? I love you so much. मुझे आपके बगल में ही रहना है सर. मैं आपके बगल में रहूंगा सर.
Infinity Mall.
Infinity Mall. Congratulations.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. You like to?
क्या स्माइल है? Most beautiful smile of the year award. इनको 15 ब्रांड्स यहीं मिल जाएंगे for that lovely smile. Thank you sir. जय वीरू की जोड़ी दोस्तों, ताली बजाइए इनके लिए. Thank you. जय और वीरू of 2021. Sir, कैसे हैं आप? You enjoyed the show? अरे भाई सर बात कर रहे हैं अब म्यूजिक तो बजाओ. हमारे डीजे के लिए ताली बजाइए. बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं, बहुत अच्छे डीजे हैं. हाँ, कैसा लग रहा है सर शो? गुड टू सी यू फेस टू फेस सर.
Good to see you face to face as well.
एंड गुड टू सी ऑल आवर लवली पीपल सर. मजा आ गया ना इनको देखकर.
Absolutely.
Sir, what would you like to tell all our brothers and sisters in the audience? इतने समय बाद हम लोग वापस आ रहे हैं in terms of ground events. Everyone's here. उनको कुछ बोलिए ना सर.
Everybody is enjoying the show. Keep on going.
Thank you sir. ताली बजाइए एक दूसरे के लिए. So now, आगे बढ़ते हुए sir, most admired shopping center of the year, Metro West. और इसके nominees हैं R City Mall, the Phoenix Mills Limited, Viviana Mall, Oberoi Mall, Infinity Mall, and the winner is. This, of course, ladies and gentlemen, we had announced with the Infinity Mall. अब वक्त आ गया सर के हाथों में. मैं अभी ऐसे नहीं होने दूंगा सर. अभी थोड़ा सस्पेंस बिल्ड करते हैं. Most admired shopping center of the year, Metro East. और इसके विनर हैं
Quest Mall.
Quest Mall. Can I request the champions of Quest Mall to come up on stage? The Quest, is that you, ma'am? Give it up for girl power. Lovely to see women on the forefront. Congratulations, ma'am. The Quest for excellence.
Test, mic test.
यार लेडी पावर के लिए तालियां नहीं बजेंगी तो किसके लिए बजेंगे? Congratulations, ma'am. Well done. Okay, sir. Most अच्छा सीटी मैंने रखी है तो यूज कर लो ना बाबा. Who's got the whistles? Use it now. Yeah. All right, sir. Most admired eco-friendly sustainable shopping center of the year. And the nominees are Unity 1, Nexus Mall, Seawoods Grand Central Mall. Iske Vijeta hai. Aaiye, madam. Give it up for all our ladies here. Thank you, ma'am.
And the award goes to Unity 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, the team of Unity 1. Unity 1 के दिग्गज टीम में Unity इतनी है. Well done, sir. Fabulous. Okay, sir. Thank you to our presenters. Thank you so much, sir. सर माइक कार्ड दे दीजिए वरना बोलेंगे मैं घर ले गया था सर. मेरी पुरानी आदत है. Thank you, sir. I love your spirit, sir. Sir के लिए तालियां please, yeah. Love his spirit. This is the time to announce our next set of presenters. I would like to call upon Pramod Arora, Chief Growth and Strategy Officer, PVR, and Saket Amrit, Senior Associate Director, CBRE, and Narendra Pratap Singh, Samsonite, Director, Retail. Good evening, sir. Can I have the presenters on the stage, please? Narendra Pratap Singh, Saket Amrit, and Pramod Arora, sir. Doston, the bar is saying 4 extra bottles for all those people on the table who make more noise. Come on! Yeah! Thank you to the 3 gentlemen. So take center stage, please. Or center, sir. Center में चले आइए. Most admired CSR compliant philanthropist shopping center of the year. इसके nominees हैं Viviana Mall, Inorbit, Hyderabad. And the winner in that envelope, ladies and gentlemen, is it Viviana Mall, Inorbit, Hyderabad. But let me tell you, both of them and each of the nominees have really done wonders. Sir, request you to take the envelope, announce the winners amongst our nominees. The mic's there in your hand. कैसे हैं सर? बाकी सब खैरियत?
All good, all good. So, should I take this mic or that?
अरे sir, you're sounding great with this mic too.
I cannot sound greater than you, buddy.
अरे no sir, आपके कर्म बड़े हैं sir.
You have the greatest compere I've ever seen, yeah?
How sweet, means a lot. Thank you so much. Give it up to sir. Okay sir, हो जाए.
So, we have Viviana Mall winning the award.
Viviana Mall.
Whistle, baby. I know you're crazy for me.
Is that the Viviana Mall team?
Let's get freaky, baby.
I love the walk. I like the swag. Pyar mohabbat se. When I got married to my wife, I used to walk in the park like this. The way they're walking. Aram se, mohabbat ke saath. I love this. This is called the romantic park wall. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Blow my whistle, baby. Blow my whistle, baby. Blow my whistle, baby. I know you're crazy for me. Let's get freaky, baby. I know you want me, girlie.
हमारे त्रिमूर्ति स्टेज पर इसको कहते हैं बॉन्डिंग. सर सब ठीक ना? मजे चल रहे हैं सर? अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. तो अब मोस्ट एडमायर्ड स्मार्ट टेक्नोलॉजी इनेबल्ड शॉपिंग सेंटर ऑफ द ईयर और इसके नॉमिनीज हैं Vegas Mall, Viviana Mall, and the winner that the lady has in her hand. हेलो सर, एक हाथ ऐसे करिए सब लोग, एक हाथ ऐसे.
So, here it goes. The most admired smart technology enabled shopping center of the year. It does go to Vegas Mall.
Whoa! Hello, ma'am. Vegas! अरे पूरी टीम यहाँ पे. Yeah! Look at them. That table which has been there in the front all this while. दोस्तों अभी अभी मुझे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने बोला है whichever table makes the maximum noise or applause gets a bumper gift right now. ताली बजाइए. Which table made the maximum noise? Put your hands up. We are identifying you. We are to give you gifts. Who's got the maximum noise? Put your hand up. Sir, you get to watch Ram Gopal Verma ki arg in a locked room for 2 hours. Acha, you're coming back on the stage. We'd love to see you. Most admired Shopping Center Launch of the Year. The nominees are Phoenix Palacio, Orion Uptown Mall, and the winner is Divya Sajano. Winner इनके हाथों में. आइए.
Amongst us, we were just debating, and I said it must be this.
So you won it or he won the guess?
I wanted.
Phoenix Palacio.
Both of you wanted it.
And Phoenix Palacio won it too.
क्या बात है सर? सर भविष्यवाणी सर मेरा अरे फिनिक्स पलासियो कहाँ पे आप लोग प्लीज कम अप ऑन स्टेज.
आपने ये मॉल देखा है?
हाँ?
आपने ये मॉल देखा है?
सर मैं मॉल के फोटो देखता हूँ.
नायाब अजूबा है. हिंदुस्तान का एक नायाब अजूबा है. You know, I'm sure you would have heard of Taj Mahal. It is better than that.
क्या बोल रहे हो सर? सर मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है मॉल जाने के लिए पर मैं फोटो जरूर देखता हूँ.
मॉल जाने के लिए पैसे की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती मॉल जाने के लिए तो.
अच्छा नहीं पड़ती है क्या?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
सर आई एम गोइंग टुमारो मॉर्निंग. गिव इट अप फॉर जेंटलमैन.
Personally love this mall. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is truly awesome what Phoenix has created in Lucknow.
सर मुझे लग रहा है आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं इस मॉल के.
We must have a few words from our friend Mr. Kelkar. This mall is something to be revered.
Sir, please say a few words, sir.
I'm not the multiplex operator though.
No, we'll not get into business right now. But thank you so much. Thank you, Mapic. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, business partners. Thank you, brands. It is true that Palacio is really, really magnificent. Those who would have seen it would agree with what he said. It's a palatial mall, some 80 exquisite chandeliers, 300 feet, 300 feet long and 300 feet tall, water bodies. It's worth having a look. One of the longest malls. It has a long walk of almost a kilometer in length when you walk the mall. It definitely needs a love and affection that we have built it with, and the brands that we are nurturing with. And the biggest part is that is the only mall in the world which has opened in COVID times. But that's all because of the brands and the partners. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again.
Sir, I have heard so much about you. If I shake hands with you, maybe I will get all your awards also, sir.
Please take this.
Arey, sir, shaking hands with you is the award. Give it up for Sir, the Lion. Thank you so much. So happy to see you. And Sir also has the best dimples in the world.
I agree with that.
I love your spirit, sir. Give me a high five. Sir, आप भी high five. Sir, happy. Sir, हाथ टूट जाएगा आप इतना fitness कर रहे हैं, sir. Okay. Now, most innovative architecture and interior design for shopping center. इसके nominees हैं Virtuous Retail Chennai, Unity Group, Nexus Mall, Shantiniketan, the winner. In that hand, ladies and gentlemen.
It's VR Chennai.
VR Chennai. வாங்க சார் அவார்ட் ஜெயிச்சிருக்கீங்க. பிரமாதமான பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ், சூப்பர் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ், என்ன பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ். VR Chennai தலைவர்ஸ்.
Here it goes for Tarek. So VR Chennai is something really, really special in India. It's one of the best malls that has come up in India.
Thank you.
And I'm sure it's doing wonders.
Thank you.
So here you go, Tarek. Say a few words about this mall.
No, thank you. I think we've tried to encapsulate the spirit of Chennai in the mall, and I think this is one of our, best malls that we have across the country. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mapip.
Thank you, Tarek. Congratulations once again.
सर एक सेकंड सर आप सामने आइए मेरे साथ सर प्लीज. एक said music bang DJ. I know, I love the DJ very much. If I was single, I would have married you too. Sir, you are from Chennai. You're from Bombay, but we are Chennai, right? We are Chennai, but you're from Bombay.
Correct.
Sir, we will do one Rajnikant dialogue. Okay, are you ready? Tali bajaiye inke liye, Rajni sir. I'm going to make you say a dialogue which is Rajnikant's biggest dialogue ever. It means if I say it once, it's equivalent to 100 times. Okay? Sir, I'll hold your trophy. Okay? कौन बोल रहा है कुछ बोलो? Okay, no, okay. लुंगी डांस नहीं, चलो, okay, बोलो. ना. Sir, acting, overacting, sir, थोड़ा. ना. Vordarva. Voldavar नहीं से. Vordarva. Shonna. Noor darvar. Solna madre. Die. Arey sir, love it. The Talaiva of our industry. We are Chennai. Thank you, sir. Love it. Thank you for being so sporting. And now, आगे बढ़ते हुए, shopping center of the year for most admired marketing and promotion activities. There's a long list of nominations. Select City Walk, Vegas, Our City Mall, Quest Mall, Nexus Malls, Elante, Viviana Mall, Oberoi Mall, Lulu Mall, Inorbit Mall, Infinity Mall, Marlin Mall Group, Orion Mall, and Grovel's 101. And ladies and gentlemen, the winners in your hand, gentlemen, one after the other. यहाँ पे tie भी है, as I've been told. You all know it better, so sir.
So we have Infinity Mall West as one of the winners.
So let's get them on stage, please. Infinity Mall West. Sir, I stay next to Infinity Mall, अंधेरी वेस्ट. मुझे वहां एंट्री देते नहीं है, प्लीज एंट्री करवा देना सर. मैं फोन करूंगा सर. द जुगाड़ कॉल. पक्का सर, आपका नंबर लेके मुझे एंट्री करवानी है सर. कोई मुझे मॉल में एंट्री देता नहीं है मेरी शक्ल
Give it a big hand for the heroes.
Infinity Mall West. DJ Baba, good boy.
The next award goes to the shopping center of the year for the most admired marketing and promotion activities. Lulu Mall.
Lulu Mall South.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lulu Mall South. Lulu Mall South, sir. I like the walk. And ma'am, namaskar. Ella saukima. Supaba. Ennu vishesha. Adipoli moni. Indu undu vishesham. All good. मैंने 9 सारे साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस बोल दिए. Thank you so much. ताली बजाइए मेरे लिए. Love you, sir. Love you. The Imran Hashmi of the Real Estate Retail Awards, वो है वो टेबल पे. ताली बजाइए. तब से मुझे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. Love it, sir. Sir, I really love you, sir. ऐसी पप्पियां मुझे लाइफ में नहीं मिली है. Thank you. Congratulations, Lulu Market South. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir, next winner.
The winner is Vegas.
Vegas, welcome back. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. दुनिया में एक वेगस है, पर हमारा वेगस सबसे बेस्ट है. Sir, you have come on stage for the second time. माइक तो बनता है सर।
Guaranteed yes. I'm coming for the third time again.
ऐसा क्या? आपका हार्ट बोल रहा है,
Yes, of course.
आपका दिल बोल रहा है।
G.
Superb, sir. I love it. He's the best astrologer in the world also, sir. If you want, you can show your hand. He'll tell you the future.
I agree. I agree. I did show him my hand before.
So you did, huh? Your hand says, your hands are itching, यानी कि अवार्ड मिल सकता है। Okay, thank you. जब हाथ में खुजली होती है, यानी कि अवार्ड मिलना जरूरी है। All right.
The next award goes to Madeline Group for the most admired marketing and promotion activities. The Madeline Group, East.
Yes, sir. एक सेकंड सर, मैं भी बोल देता हूँ, मुझे भी मन है। Marlin Group East. केवल आशेन दादा, खूब भालो. While Marlin Group comes, I'm sure they're walking. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for the table that really enjoys their drinks goes to this first table here सामने. ताली बजाइए इनके लिए. एक sip नहीं छोड़ा है, एक glass नहीं छोड़ा, एक bottle नहीं छोड़ा है. They love their drinks. I like the spirit. So Marlin Group, आखिरी बार. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सर ये ट्रॉफी आप लेना चाहते हैं कि हम ले लें?
आप ले लीजिए।
सर आप लेना चाहेंगे? अरे सर आपके खुद की इतनी ट्रॉफीज हैं। Thank you so much to our 3 presenters. You have been fabulous, gentlemen. तालियों की गूंज इनके लिए. Thank you. Thank you, DJ. दोस्तों, before we move on to the next set of awards, it's very important for me to give a motivational shairi. It's a very emotional one. You might have tears in your eyes when you hear it. I request you, being your younger brother, to give me vavas. क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग? जोर से. इस दुनिया में लाखों लोग रहते हैं. कोई हंसता है तो कोई रोता है, पर सबसे सुखी वही होता है जो शाम को 2 पैग मार के सोता है. And this is dedicated to that table, sir. एक भी बॉटल नहीं छोड़ी आप लोगों ने, and I like it. And now we're going to show you some audio visuals. They mean the world to us. Computer G, can you flash them on the big screen now?
Since the early 1950s, Trehan Group has envisioned reshaping the skyline of the capital city. The group is committed to creating legendary edifices like the Supreme Court of India, the Tihar Jail and the Safdarjung Airport. The new millennium has brought a young vigor to India. In the year 2005, the group took a progressive brand building initiative with the launch of Brand Iris. After 6 decades of excellence, hard work and acclaim, the group brings forth a new horizon of high street retail. Iris Broadway Gurugram, an eclectic mix of retail, entertainment and hospitality with a vibrant emerging demographic across the vicinity with more than 2 lakh families. Spread over 2.8 acres, it's the only mall in the area with 1,000 feet frontage. With brands like Inox, Reliance Smart, Max, Chroma, KFC, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Chios, and many more, Iris Broadway Gurugram has become an emerging weekend getaway. The group is also geared up to launch their milestone retail project, Iris Broadway Greno West. Designed by Benoy, the makers of Dubai Ferrari World and Dubai City Walk, Iris Broadway Greno West has a magnificent central atrium of 25,000 square feet, a triple-height dedicated entertainment and adventure zone of 25,000 square feet, double-height showroom, express escalator to F&B outlets, 600 seating capacity with over 50 food kiosks, 3-meter wide corridors, 5 large anchors, 6 independent drop-off provisions, a 6-screen multiplex with over 1,200 seats, a 100-room business hotel, and an iconic 30 floors high-rise office tower. Partner with us. Join the league, a future built on legacy.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the 3 audio visuals are now getting back to the award. It's a beautiful evening. I am Siddharth Kannan. Good evening, India. Let's move on to the 4th set of awards and to invite on stage Sachin Damle, Director, Hart Castle Restaurants Private Limited, and Mr. Sandeep Kedia, CEO, Ventuta Retail. Good evening, sir. How are you? Okay. Namaskar, sir. Give it up for our dignitaries. The final countdown of the awards. We're ending to the grand finale. Aapko aapke alcohol ki kasam talia. Ye huई na baat. Now, the most admired shopping center company of the year. The nominees are the Phoenix Mills Limited, Nexus Malls, and the winners are. अरे मैडम शर्माइए मत जाइए जाइए ऐसे चाहते हैं डोंट वरी dignitaries the envelope is there and you have to announce the name of the winners.
So the most admired shopping center of the year, company of the year is Nexus Malls.
Nexus Mall, Angar, Agni, Jwala, अरे क्या बात है the Nexus Mall team, they're all a team player. What a player. पूरी फौज, पूरी ताकत एक साथ. क्या बात है. Congratulations, sir. Well done. Thank you. अरे सर स्माइल तो करा, अवार्ड जीते सर. अब ऐसे मत आओ दुखी स्टेज पर. Hello ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, this is called teamwork. कोई अकेले स्टेज पर नहीं आता है. अंगार की गूंज इनके लिए, come on India. अरे सर आराम से, one group photograph. The ladies, the gentlemen, these are the Avengers of India. Most admired shopping center company of the year. And it's none other than Nexus Mall.
Sound is a color.
Alright, gentlemen, give me a thump like this. Come on. Give me a pose like this. Yeah! That's the spirit. Dhaka, thank you. See you on the other side. Most promising upcoming shopping center for the year 2022. The nominees are KW Delhi 6, Gulshan 129, Good Earth 69, Epica. And the winner is
the most promising upcoming shopping center for the year 2022. It goes to KW Delhi 6.
KW Delhi 6, Dil Walon Ki Delhi. Brap. The three gentlemen and the lady. यार एक इंसान के पास सीटी है, वो इंसान कौन है? एक बार सीटी बजा दो भाई, मेरे दिल को तसल्ली मिलेगी. I like it. एक ही बच्चा है, बाकी सब बाहर रख दिया है, किसी ने किसी और को बांट दिया है. No worries. KW Delhi 6. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Most admired shopping center with innovative COVID-19 protocols. The nominees are Vegas Mall, R City Mall, Nexus Mall, Shantiniketan, Viviana Mall, Lulu Mall, Inorbit Mall, Marlin Group, Phoenix Market City, Mumbai, Growells 101, and the winner is
The winner is R City Mall.
जिंदगी की असली उड़ान बाकी है, जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान बाकी है. अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन हमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. Ladies and gentlemen, R City Mall, most admired shopping center with innovative COVID-19 protocols. Thank you, sir. आपका कैटेगरी इतने बड़े में लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, most innovative COVID-19 protocol. क्या बात है सर, congratulations sir. Thank you. Thank you sir. Thank you मेरे शेर. और अब best reorientation project shopping center of the year. इसमें nominees नहीं हैं, direct winner, the dignitaries on stage. लगता है कि इनको पता था कौन जीतने वाला है.
And the award goes to Metro Junction Mall.
It's just a great place to go out.
Metro Junction Mall.
San Francisco, where's your disco?
Center stage पर Metro Junction Mall. सर इधर आइए. अगर आदमी, थैंक यू डीजे बाबा, आई लव यू, यू नो दैट राइट. आइए. अगर आदमी खुद के लिए नहीं खड़ा हुआ तो किसके लिए खड़ा हुआ? तो आप 3 बार इनको देखकर बोलिए वाह 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 वाह. वाह 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 वाह, लगता है कि शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब यहाँ पे आ गए। सर अभी आप इनको देखकर बोलिए वाह 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 वाह
वाह वाह वाह वाह वाह वाह।
क्या बात है। और अभी आप दोनों मिलकर बोलिए अपनी टीम के लिए वाह 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 वाह।
वाह 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 वाह।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू सर। हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा। अब बेस्ट टर्न अराउंड शॉपिंग सेंटर स्टोरी ऑफ द ईयर वेस्ट, एंड इट गोज टू नो नॉमिनेशंस हियर। पाजी, एंजॉइंग ऑन द रॉक्स जूस के साथ।
So it's Amanora Mall West, Pune.
Whoa! Amanora Mall West, best turnaround shopping center of the year, West. Truly a success story. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, पंख से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। And this is called हौसला अफजाई here. Best turnaround shopping center story of the year, North. And gentlemen, ma'am, sir, status बताइए विजेता का।
It goes to Unity 1 CBD, Shadra North.
Unity 1 CBD, Shadra North. Give it up, gentlemen. Chakde fote. सबके लबों पर एक दिन तेरा ही नाम होगा। डीजे बाबा I love you. सबके लबों पर एक दिन तेरा ही नाम होगा। हर कदम पे तेरे दुनिया का सलाम होगा। हर मुश्किल का सामना करना तू डट कर। देखना समय एक दिन तेरा भी गुलाम होगा। And you have conquered time and difficulties to get to this point. Well, thank you to our presenters. Thank you, lovely having you with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Means a lot coming from you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final countdown. I request Sanjay Vakaria, co-founder and CEO Spiker, and Mr. Amitabh Suri, CEO USP Arvind Brands Limited, to come up on stage for the grand finale. Can I request both the messiahs of our business, the Bahubalis, the kings, the Shenshahs, DJ Baba, pump it up now. The grand finale. 3 awards left. We've got Sanjay Vakaria and Amitabh Suri. तो दोस्तों, वक्त आ चुका है for individual awards. Most admired shopping center professional, center head of the year. और इसके विजेता है on that envelope the final 3 awards for tonight.
The individual award for the most admired shopping center professional of the year. Rehan, come up.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rehan Haq, good at 69. Well done, Rehan. Individual awards, most admired shopping center professional, center head of the year, Rehan Haq. Rehan, big award. जब ये लोग नाम पढ़ रहे थे तो उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट आ गई, which clearly shows how popular you are as a professional, as a person.
Thank you, I'm humbled.
I love it. इनका काम बोलता है बस. And I like that spirit. Thank you so much, Rehan. Well done. Give it up for Rehan Haq. Most admired shopping center personality, owner, operator of the year. और इसकी विजेता है the last 3 awards for tonight.
So the most admired shopping center personality, owner, operator of the year, Mr. Dalip Sehgal, Nexus Malls.
Dalip Sehgal, Nexus Malls. Most admired shopping center personality, owner, operator of the year. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me clarify. He's receiving the award on his behalf and he's promised me कि चाहे जो भी होगा ये अवार्ड उन तक पहुंचाएंगे, अपने घर में नहीं रखेंगे.
नहीं तो मेरा अप्रेजल नहीं होगा.
अच्छा सर, वो बहुत जरूरी है सर. अप्रेजल तो बहुत जरूरी है सर. पहुंचा देना सर. आखिरी 2 अवार्ड. किनारों से किनारे मिल जाएंगे, उम्मीद की कश्ती में सवार. उम्मीद की कश्ती में सवार हम हर वक्त से गुजर जाएंगे. और वक्त आ गया to announce Mixed Use Development Center of the Year 2022 Jury's Choice. The second last award for tonight.
The Mixed Use Development Center of the Year 2022 Jury's Choice, Gulshan 129.
Gulshan 129. नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाते हैं. कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, दिशा को बदलो तो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. Truly showing that how they can maneuver every adversity and reach to where they are. Gulshan 129. सर रुक जाइए सर, ये तो हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हो गए यार. How are you, sir?
I'm enjoying the event, not only because of Mapic, but with you as well.
How sweet. Sir, आपके ऑफिस में आपके कॉलीग बहुत अच्छे सिंगर हैं. आपने देखा कि बादशाह की तरह गा भी रहे थे सर. तो इनको आप वक्त देंगे टू रैप एंड डू म्यूजिकल एल्बम्स?
चंडीगढ़ वाला सॉन्ग?
यस.
शायद मुंबई वाला भी गा दे.
ओहो सर, बहुत बड़ा अवार्ड है ये. प्लीज कुछ बोलेंगे तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
I'm delighted to be here. Thank you, Mapic. Thank you all the veteran retailers, which is giving us a platform to show our strength as a real estate developer in retail sense. And I really have no words to appreciate the way you're conducting this. I'm really delighted. Thank you very much.
Means a lot, sir, coming from you. Look up to you. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, the singer who's replaced Badshah from their team. Sir, bhai, sir, Badshah bhai. Wave to karo apne fans ko. Okay. This is the final award for tonight. Ma'am, you can go there as well. Most admired shopping boutique mall of the year 2022 Jury's Choice. The final grand finale.
The most admired upcoming boutique mall of the year 22, Jury's Choice, Good Earth 69.
Good Earth 69. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite all the awardees on stage for a photo opportunity. We'd like to thank Gulshan 129 as session partner, CP67 as mixed use retail partner. We'd also like to thank our participants, Accenture, Modi Motors, Legend Group, Sri Balaji and Secure Parking. Thank you to our presenters and the winners. Mapping India Awards for Shopping Center is supported by Rare Rabbit. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं चाहूंगा winners आ जाएं stage पर.
Away. Oh. But I can't think of a better time to say, hold on. Said I'm messing with my future, up and up inside. Hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Hold on. Said I'm messing with my future. Tell me no more lies, no. Hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. So look inside, you'll find a deeper love.
Check.
Oh yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is that big photograph of the biggest people in our business. The Real Estate Retailers Awards 2021. Look at that picture.
Don't cry, no, don't cry. Tell them everything is gonna be alright.
बाबा एक पावर पैक पोज हो जाए यार. 1 2 3 come on.
Instead of messing with our future, open up
अच्छा सुनो,
inside.
मुझे भी आना है फोटो में प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. ये एपिक पिक्चर है. प्लीज लुक एट दैट फोटो. ओके 1 2 3 गिव इट अप.
Hold on. Instead of messing with our future, open up inside.
एक और पावर वाला यार. मेरा मुझे वो सीधा वाला पोज नहीं चाहिए. 1 2 3 हेलो मैम.
Answer to the children of the sky.
Also Ashna and the entire team, please come up on stage. मेरा हीरो यहाँ पे दोस्तों, without plastic surgery, he looks so handsome. Okay, एक अच्छा pose. 1 2 3 hit it. Thank you everybody. बाबा मैंने 4 बार बोल दिया बार इज ओपन. मैं 5वीं बार भी बोल देता हूँ बार इज ओपन.